Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. It's pretty simple. Open Facebook and click on your menu icon at the bottom right. Then you want to switch into your Facebook page by clicking on your Facebook page. So my HTG, so I will click on HTG and click on switch. Now once you switch into your Facebook page, you want to click on your Facebook page menu icon at the bottom right. From over here, it's going to show you your Facebook page name at the top left. Click on it and it's going to take you to your page over here, profile. And on your page profile, you can see the three dot right beside view tool. Click on the three dot. From over here, choose the second option, add action button. And over here, click on edit buttons. From inside edit buttons, you want to check mark where it says send WhatsApp message. Once you click on send WhatsApp message, click on connect WhatsApp account and connect your WhatsApp account. So for that, over here, first select which country you belong to and then enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, click on done and click on send code, and a verification code is going to be sent to your WhatsApp. Go check your WhatsApp and enter the code over here and click on done. And if the code is correct, you can click on verify code, and if the code is verified, what you want to do is click on save over here, and once you click on save, your WhatsApp button will be added on your Facebook page home screen. So that's how we guys can add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.